In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink a phone number in Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a document and want the convenience of dialing a phone number with a single click, or you simply want to enhance the interactivity of your document, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. To begin with, ensure you're logged into your Gmail account, as you'll need access to Google Drive. Once logged in, navigate to your Google Drive. This is your hub for all things Google Docs. Inside Google Drive, locate and click on the New button, typically found on the left side. Once the menu appears, select Google Docs to create a new document. Assuming you have the Google Doc you're working on open, let's dive into the key task of hyperlinking a phone number. Google Docs offers a few methods to accomplish this efficiently. First off, highlight the phone number within your document that you wish to hyperlink. Look to the top of your screen for the icon that resembles a small chain link. Click on it to open the hyperlink option. In the text field that appears, you'll want to type in a protocol that indicates the text is a phone number. Enter tel, followed by the plus sign, as this tells the device the number is an international dial, and then the actual phone number itself. So it looks something like tel plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 900. When you're satisfied, click apply. You should immediately see the text turn blue, underlined to signify it has been successfully linked. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, Google Docs has you covered. Highlight the phone number, then press the Control key and K simultaneously on your keyboard. This will pop open the hyperlink box just like before. Again, enter tel plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 900 and hit apply. For those who prefer mouse-driven interactions, you can right-click your highlighted number and select Insert Link from the context menu. Once again, type tel plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 900 and apply. These methods are quite reliable and can make your document much more dynamic. By following either of these steps, your phone number will transform into an interactive link. When someone reads your document, they can click the linked phone number to dial it immediately. Now that you know how to hyperlink phone numbers, you can make your documents more functional for users, especially when sharing contact information. That's it for this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Remember, linking phone numbers in this way can really enhance communication efficiency, especially in documents shared on mobile devices. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your Google Workspace tools.